All right, 6.5 homework day 2. This is problem 2. We want to solve this, and we have a fraction exponent. So normally I would isolate it first, meaning like if I had a 5 in front here, I would divide by 5 first, but it's already isolated. So basically right away then I'm going to raise it to the reciprocal power, both sides, so flip it. And again, the reason here is this is power of a power on the left becomes 6 over 6 when I multiply those fractions, which is just 1. So we're going to get x plus 2 to the first power equals 9 to the 3 halves. All right. And then from here, the x plus 2 to the first is just x plus 2. And then on the other side, I'm going to switch it. I'm going to do a square root because the root's on the bottom, power is on top. So root 2 power 3. And that is significant because the square root of 9, that's an even root, even index here, and positive. So that's going to be both plus and minus 3. So then when I cube, I'm going to cube both positive and negative 3, giving both positive and negative 27. Okay, and then I'm going to set my little expression to equal both 27 and negative 27. Right, so to solve this one here, minus 2, you get 25. The other one, minus 2 from both sides, and you get negative 29. Right, so we get two answers of positive 25, negative 29. Thanks for watching.